So we've been given some visual problems here, and I'm going to show you how we can work them out. So we're expressing the shaded area as both a fraction and a decimal. So the first thing you need to work out is what is your denominator going to be? So what has the square been split into? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know that the square has been split into 10. So that's going to be my denominator. Now we need to work out how many parts are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this picture is showing 4/10, and we can show that as a decimal as well. So when we are converting into decimals, we need to look at the denominator, and we know that this is split into tenths, not tens, because we're getting smaller. Okay, so we're looking at the tenths. So we've got 4/10 shown as a fraction, and we're now going to show that as a decimal. So we're going to put the 4 under the tenths section because there's 4 of them. And then we're going to put a 0 because there are no whole numbers. And then our decimal will split them. So 4/10 as a decimal is also known as 0.4. Let's have a look at the next one. Now this one has been split up even further, and there's a quick way that you can work this out. If you look at the top layer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 going along, and we can use some of our area skills to work out the rest of the squares without counting each individual one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know that 10 times 10 is 100, so I know that there are 100 squares. I'm now going to work out the numerator. Well, if I know there's 10 squares in one layer, 10 times 3 equals 30. And then obviously we haven't got quite a full layer for 40, so I'm going to take away 1, so that'll give me 39. So now we need to work out 39 hundredths. Now we're going to be looking at the hundredths section. We need to make sure that a digit is in the hundredths. So we're going to work backwards. We've got 9, and then we've got 3, and then we've got a decimal, and then 0. So 39 over 100 is the same as 0.39. Finally, let's look at the last one. Now this one has been split into tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice and easy. And then my numerator is going to be 3/10. So we know that 3/10 equates to 0.3, because remember our denominator is in tenths. So it's going to go under the tenth section.